What is biofilm? When some of the bacteria free in the water settle on surfaces in contact with the liquid, they start to duplicate, forming a layer usually known as biofilm. Free-floating bacteria represent just 10% of the total number of bacteria in a piping system. Indeed, 90% of microorganisms live in biofilm, not free in the liquid. When biofilm is mature, parts of it can detach, cross-contaminating other points of the piping system. Biofilm causes many different issues. A 20-micron thick biofilm reduces thermal efficiency by 30% and more. Biofilm causes MIC, microbiologically influenced corrosion. Biofilm is the ideal environment for the survival and proliferation of pathogens. To prevent biofilm-related issues, it is important to know when this bacterial layer is forming. To this aim, Alvim biofilm sensors represent the most reliable and widely adopted tool worldwide. Alvim sensors help you to detect biofilm as soon as it starts to grow, providing an early warning indication online and in real time. Compared to lab analyses and other techniques, Alvim technology offers several advantages. Cleaning and sanitation treatments have a limited effectiveness if they are applied when biofilm is mature. This is common with no biofilm monitoring. Thanks to Alvim sensor, it is possible to apply treatments on early phase biofilm to achieve the best results. In this way, it is possible to know when a cleaning treatment is needed, reducing the use of biocides up to 90%. Biofilm greatly affects heat exchange efficiency. It is even more insulating than mineral deposit. Monitoring biofilm and applying treatments when it is still young, it is possible to improve heat exchange efficiency up to 30%. Thanks to the advantages offered by Alvim sensors, the return on investment for the purchase is very fast. In a large industrial plant applying biocide or sanitation treatments, the return on investment can be up to 100% per month. In a food and beverage plant with a bacterial contamination, the return on investment can be up to 100% per week. In a power plant affected by biofilm growth, the return on investment can be up to 100% per day. Moreover, Alvim sensors are easy to install and to use. Contact us for more info about biofilm, biofilm monitoring, and prevention of biofilm-related issues.